If you've bought the Dyson Airwrap and your curls keep falling out, or you feel like everyone else magically knows how to use it except you, don't worry. Once you learn a few simple tricks, this thing becomes so much easier to use and honestly gives the prettiest soft curls. I love the Dyson Airwrap Long because it styles your hair using air instead of super intense direct heat, so my hair feels softer, smoother, and less fried afterward. And once I figured out the curling technique, it honestly cut down on my styling time a ton. I'm able to curl my hair in 2 minutes, and my hair is thick and long. Plus, I love that the curls look bouncy and natural instead of overly stiff. The biggest mistake people make is trying to use it on soaking wet hair or fully dry hair. You want your hair about 80 to 90% dry. Slightly damp works best. I also recommend using a little mousse or styling product beforehand if your hair struggles to hold curls. Then you section your hair. Smaller sections hold better and curl more evenly. I usually work in layers starting from the bottom and make sure you're using the correct barrel direction. Right for the right side of your head and left for the left side of your head, depending on which side of your head you're curling. Now hold the barrel near the ends of your hair and let the air wrap pull the hair around automatically. That's the magic of the airflow. Then slowly move the barrel upward towards your roots and hold it there for about 10 to 15 seconds with heat. Then here's the secret. Hit the cold shot for another 5 to 10 seconds. Do not skip the cold shot. This is what sets your curl. Another huge tip, don't touch the curls immediately. Let them cool completely before brushing them out. Once they cool, you can gently shake them out for those soft, voluminous Dyson-style curls everyone loves. Honestly, once you get the hang of it, the Dyson Airwrap Long makes styling feel so much easier and healthier for your hair. My hair looks smoother, shinier, and way less damaged compared to traditional curling irons, and it's so much faster. The curls look effortless and expensive looking, so if you've been frustrated with yours, keep practicing. It really does get easier fast.